I'm Tyler Hippen with Newborn Caulk Guns. Today I'm going to do a demonstration of our Model 385. Our Model 385 works with the 3M FIP foam, which has a special 5-to-1 coaxial cartridge. We have an outer ring and an inner ring, which fits the 3M FIP foam cartridge. And you're ready to go. So we're going to use a little material here on the side first. And once we get a consistent color, we're ready to go. So once you're all finished, the entire entrance should be sealed off, and then you have the option to cut off the excess material and use it elsewhere. And there you go. You have a perfectly sealed hole filled up by the 3M FIP foam along with the 385 Newborn Caulking gun. Thanks for watching.